It's Halloween and I have the juice. So today we are going to be making some Jello shots as well as a spooky Halloween cocktail. My name is Alyena, or Beetlejuice, and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing you're going to need for our Beetlejuice Jello shots is some green Jello. I got the lime flavor. Some people can go crazy and get pistachio. It's really up to you. And you want 3 ounces of your Jello. So I'm just going to add this into my measuring cup. Next, you need some hot water. So I have my kettle right over here, and this is boiling and steaming. So I'm going to add 1 cup of my boiling hot water to my Jello. Ooh, and look at that color. Now you're going to want to whisk this for about 2 minutes until all of your Jello dissolves. Now that our Jello has dissolved like so, I have half a cup of just cold water going in. Next, as these are Jello shots, we need some vodka. So I'm just going to add half a cup of my vodka to our Jello. Because who's making Jello shots without vodka? Now I'm just going to give this a quick stir. As you can tell, I have a lot of Halloween costumes, and I'm curious, what are you guys going as this year? Now I'm going to go pop these in my fridge for at least an hour so they have some time to set up and we can get started on our cocktail. It is now time to start our cocktail. So in my cocktail shaker, the first thing I'm going to add is some vodka because this is a theme, it's a vodka video. So I'm going to add 2 ounces of vodka. You can add 1 to 2 ounces. It depends on how boozy you want this to be. I'm going to add 2. Next, because we need that green color, right? We need that Beetlejuice. I have some Midori. I'm going to add in 1 ounce of my Midori. This is a Japanese melon musk liqueur that is quite delicious. So I'm going to add 1 ounce of my Midori. And look at how that color changes. There we go. But this is a little light. We want to deepen the green. So we grab our blue curacau and we add half an ounce of blue curacau in. This makes it an even more rich, deep green color. So half an ounce going in. Next, because we're fruity and we're fun, I have some pineapple juice. We're gonna add 3 ounces of our pineapple juice. And just for a little touch of acidity and brightness, we have some lime juice going in. You can add half an ounce of lime juice, which is about half a lime. This is a pretty large lime too, it's fairly juicy. So this will give us about half an ounce of lime juice. And now, it's time to shake. Now, if you're feeling like some eyeballs, what I recommend doing is buying one of these nifty little things from Amazon. It's a circular ice cube maker. And inside of it, we have eyeballs or frozen blueberries. Really depends on your perspective. Also, when they melt, you have a snack. Runaway eyeball. Now, I'll set this off to the side. Tidy. And now it is time to pour our juice in. If that doesn't give Halloween, I don't know what does. And now it is time for a little taste test. That is delicious. Lightly fruity, kind of citrusy. Honestly, I could have this all day long. It's also the second one I've had today, which, you know, it's just getting better every one. But now we can't forget, we have some Jello shots in the fridge. So I think it's time that we go grab those and give them a taste. So here we have our Jello shots. And I recommend if you want to take these to the next level, get some eyeballs because clearly we can't get enough eyeballs here. So these are sadly only candy. And I have a little tip for you. If you're having a Jello shot and you're struggling to get it out and you don't want to dip your finger in, just get some toothpicks. And in the theme of eyes, I have an eye toothpick. And I'm just gonna scrape this around the outside of my Jello shot, and then it's not sticky anymore. And I personally don't feel like eating any eyeballs, but I will have a shot. Wait, gotta get a little more. That's honestly really good. It's not too boozy. You really just taste the lime. So I recommend using a lime flavored Jello shot if you want some green Jello shots, because you don't taste the vodka in the slightest. It's very lightly sweet, it's mild, and it's delicious. And then I have my cocktail over here. It's a good night. So if you'd like to see some more of my Halloween cocktail recipes, there will be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to have some juice on Halloween. Cheers.